Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic income and other goals. Okay. In earlier video, we discussed about the meaning of development and different goal of the different people. Means different type of person having different goal, developmental goal. Goal of a one person may not be developed. Means goal of a one person for the development may not be development for other person. Okay, now we will talk about the income and other goal. If you go over table 1.1 again, you will notice one common thing: what people desire regular work, better wages and decent price for their crop or other product that they produce. Okay, it means mainly that people want more income. Okay, people want more income. Besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect of others. There isn't discrimination. All these are important goals. It means with the income, people also seek for the equal treatment. Means they should not be unequally treated on the basis of caste, religion. Okay, so people should be need equal treatment, freedom, security, respect of others. Okay, so all these important goal, in fact in some cases these may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not all that you need to live. Okay, it means that not only material things that we only need to live, but there are also freedom, security. It means not only material things that we need to live, but also other things that are equally important in our life. Okay, so that also person needed for the development, like job security, freedom, respect. Okay, so money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends. So it is the part of that. Material things are part of our life that we buy them to live, on which our life depend. But the quality of our life also depend on non-material things mentioned above. So these respect, securities, these are non-material things. Okay, equal treatment, discrimination, all these are non-material things. So that non-material things are also important in our life as well as material things. If it is not obvious to you, then you just think of the role of your friend in your life. You may desire their friendship. Similarly, there may things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives. Okay, so what it means, that you just think of the role of your friends in your life. Okay, you just think that what are the role of your friends in your life. You desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives. So कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे भी है जिनको कि हम मेज़र बहुत ईजिली कर सकते हैं, पर वो भी हमारी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा मीन्स जिनका मीनिंग होता है, इम्पोर्टेंट होती है. दीज आर ऑफन इग्नोर. However, it will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. Okay, so it will be wrong to say that the things which we cannot measure is not important. Things which can be measured or which cannot be measured, both are equally important in our life. Consider another example. If you get a job in a far off place, before accepting, if you would try to consider many factors apart from income, such as facility for your family, working atmosphere, opportunity to learn. In other case, a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment, then enhance your sense of security. Okay, so here situation is giving, For example, you take that you are getting a job far off from your place, means अपनी जगह से दूर आपको कहीं जॉब मिल रही है जहाँ पे आपको इनकम अच्छी मिल रही है, पर आपको अदर फैक्टर्स भी देखने होते हैं कि आपकी फैमिली के लिए फैसिलिटी है या नहीं है, वर्किंग एटमॉस्फेयर कैसा है, अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न, दैट देयर विल बी अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न मोर. In other case, you are getting a job, their income is less, they are paying less to you, but they offer regular employment that enhance your sense of security. Another job, however, may offer higher pay but not job security, and also have no time for your family. It means that they are giving more income but you are not getting time for your family. There is no job security, and the one situation, that first one situation that is giving you the less income but giving more facility, so this will reduce your sense of security and freedom. So higher income will reduce your sense of security and freedom. Okay, no doubt you will get higher income but you will be not having any time for your family, freedom, security. But less income is giving you job security, family facility. Okay, so we can see in this situation that both things are equally important in our life. Okay, see the next paragraph, students. Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals. So when we talk about the development in life, so we cannot say particular goal for the development. It is true that if women are engaged in paid work, the dignity in the household and society increase. However, it is also the case that if there is a respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. Okay, a safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. So what it means if a women are engaged in paid work, कि वो काम कर रही है, no doubt household work are done by the women but they are not paid anything for that. Okay, they do for their family. So if they are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increase. However, it is also the case that if there is a respect for women, there could be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. So जो बाहर काम कर रही है उसमें क्या है कि हाउस वर्क का, घर का जो काम है उसमें भी शेयरिंग होती है, एंड ग्रेटर एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ वीमेन वर्किंग आउटसाइड. सो सेफ एंड सिक्योर इन्वायरमेंट में अलाउ, कि जहाँ पे सेफ एंड सिक्योर इन्वायरमेंट होएगा वहीं वीमेन को क्या है, मतलब ज़्यादा अलाउ करेंगे मोर वर्क टू टेक अप ए वैरायटी ऑफ जॉब्स और रन ए बिजनेस. देन ओनली दे कैन encourage to do the work or to do the business. So we can say that we cannot say that there is only one goal for the development. There is a variety of goals, or we can say mix of goals for the development. Okay, so students, today we have discussed the paragraph related to income and development. Means when we talk about the income and we say that higher income means more development, that it does not mean that higher income is there, growth is there, but development is there, we cannot say, because there is the difference. More income means not that we have the freedom, security, respect. So all these are included in the development. Okay, so students, read these paragraphs from. So students, read this paragraph from your book and try to write some example where factor other than income are important aspect of our lives. Okay, so you have to write this example in your notebook. Write some example where factors other than income are important aspect of our lives. Okay, so students, read this paragraph and write this example in your book. We have completed income and other goals. Okay, so means what is the important for the development, income or non-material things. We can say material things or non-material things, both are important in our life. So which one is more important, or both are the equally important? Okay, so we have discussed this thing in this topic. So read the topic and write this example of factors, okay, that I tell you. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.